Small to mid-sized ornamental trees offer year-round interest to the home garden, providing visual appeal in every season. This could include colorful foliage in autumn, attractive blooms in spring, and unique branching patterns in winter. Ornamental trees come in a variety of shapes and colors, providing diverse options to enhance the visual appeal of your front yard. They can contribute to the overall aesthetics and curb appeal of your property. This video explores the 10 colorful, easy-to-care ornamental trees with zoning information and growth details, so it make easier for you to choose the perfect ornamental tree for your garden. Limelight hydrangea, a wonderful ornamental tree for the front yard home garden, a popular favorite because of its compact size and beauty and huge, colorful blooms during summer season. It works perfect even for smaller yards and goes well in corner area in flower bed, or even for backyard sitting areas. It grows around 6 to 8 feet tall and 4 to 5 feet spread. It prefers partial sun in zones 7 to 8, and 4 to 5 hours sunlight in zones 4 to 6. Chaste tree, wonderful ornamental tree for its clusters of fragrant lilac blooms emerge in early summer, and last well into the fall. The shape of the tree, and attractive lilac blooms with dark green foliage, makes it a versatile favorite tree for any landscape. Chaste tree is a low-maintenance and drought-tolerant ornamental tree for home yards. It prefers full sun and survive in most soil conditions. Hardiness zones are 5 to 9. Ornamental redbuds are valued for their early spring flowers that appear directly on the branches. They are compact and well suited for smaller spaces. The eastern redbud is a small deciduous tree that produces tiny pinkish-purple flowers in early spring along its branches, before heart-shaped leaves appear. The ornamental redbud is hardy in zones 4 through 9, and it does well in full sun. Temple of Bloom, also known as Seven Sunflower, is a small, easy-care, ornamental tree that makes a stunning addition to any landscape. Starts with deeply veined green foliage in spring, and gradually gaining in size and twisting at the tip. Temple of Bloom tree produces clusters of fragrant white flowers, from late summer to early fall. Hardiness zones are 5 to 9. Matured growth shows around 6 to 10 feet tall and spread. Japanese maple tree, there are lots of varieties from Japanese maple family. Dwarf Acer palmatum Japanese maple is very attractive, it appears in compact dome shape with arching branches. A wonderful addition to small gardens, to add vibrant contrast color for greener backgrounds. Hardiness zones are 5 to 9, grows 8 to 10 feet tall and 6 to 10 feet wide. It prefers full sun to partial shade. Dwarf Korean lilac, a beautiful ornamental tree that spreads wider than tall, with beautiful flowers. In the spring, it has reddish-purple buds that open to fragrant lilac flowers. It has dark green foliage in the summer that turns yellow in fall. It can be used as a foundation planting or in a border. Hardness zones are 5 to 8, it grows 5 to 6 feet tall and 6 to 7 feet spread. Snow Fountain Weeping Cherry is a great hardy and wonderful small tree to add compact spaces in front yard of the home or corner spots of flower beds. It blooms very fragrant, beautiful pink blooms in early spring, then maintain the green foliage for the rest of the seasons. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, grows 10 to 12 feet tall and 9 to 10 feet wide. It prefers full sun. Royal Purple Smoke Tree, a gorgeous purplish-red foliage sets it a special, with incredible smoke-like purple blooms. It shows tolerance to most soil types and drought conditions. Royal Purple Smoke Tree can be pruned and kept as a small decorative hedge or border shrub to add wonderful color to the landscape. It holds beautiful foliage all summer, then turns scarlet red in autumn and goes to dormant in winter. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, it grows 8 to 12 feet and in 6 to 8 feet wide. Magnolia Jane is a smaller hybrid of Magnolia's family, grows as a stunning flowering rounded tree. Bright bloom starts with white and purple flowers in early spring, before it gets dark glossy green foliage. Jane Magnolia can be trained to become a hardy shrub or small tree. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, grows 10 to 15 feet tall and 8 to 10 feet wide. It prefers full sun. Black Diamond Crape Myrtle, a stunning new Crape Myrtle variety, shows black leaves that pop against its deep red blooms. Vibrant and contrast color blooms, from early summer to fall season. It is a popular ornamental plant for its attractive flowers and foliage. Very high drought tolerant plant, grows around 9 to 11 feet tall and 6 to 8 feet spread. It does well in full sun, and very adaptable to most soil conditions. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please do not forget to give a like to this video. For channel encouragement, I appreciate your support. Thank you.